What's up, everybody? It's Oscar. Today, we're doing things a little differently. We're not giving away thousands of dollars. Or are we? We're diving deep into the world of AI. And no, I'm not talking about some crazy robot apocalypse. I'm talking about AI that can help you rake in some serious cash. Up to $30,386 a month. That's right, you heard me? We're going to explore 5 digital products you can create using AI that could make you richer than a Mr. Beast giveaway winner. Let's do this. First up, we've got AI-generated art. Now, I'm no Picasso, but even I can appreciate a masterpiece. And guess what? You don't have to be a world-renowned artist to create one. AI tools like DALL-E are like magic wands for the art world. You literally type in what you want to see, like a cat riding a unicorn through a rainbow, and bam, AI whips up a masterpiece right before your eyes. But here's the real kicker. You can sell these AI-generated artworks online. Platforms like Etsy, Shopify, and even social media are teeming with hungry buyers looking for unique and eye-catching pieces. And the best part? You don't even have to ship anything. Just send them the digital file and boom, money in the bank. Think about it, people spend thousands, even millions on art. With AI, you can tap into that market without years of art school and paint-splattered overalls. Plus, you can create art in any style imaginable. Want a Renaissance-style portrait of your dog? Done. How about a surrealist landscape with floating islands and three-eyed creatures? AI's got you covered. And the earning potential? Let me tell you, it's insane. Some AI artists are making a killing selling prints, phone cases, t-shirts, you name it, all adorned with their AI-generated masterpieces. We're talking potentially thousands of dollars a month just from letting AI unleash your inner artist. So if you're ready to turn your creativity into cold, hard cash, AI art might just be your golden ticket. Next up, let's talk about AI-powered chatbots. Now I know what you're thinking. Chatbots? Those things that sound like robots and never understand my questions? Yeah, those days are long gone, my friend. AI has completely revolutionized the chatbot game. These aren't your grandma's chatbots. We're talking sophisticated AI that can understand and respond to customer queries with human-like accuracy. They can answer questions, provide support, and even close deals. All while you're chilling on a beach somewhere sipping on a coconut. And the best part? Businesses are desperate for this. They're constantly looking for ways to improve customer service without breaking the bank. That's where you come in, my friend. As the AI chatbot guru, you can create and sell these AI-powered chatbots to businesses of all sizes. Platforms like ChatFuel and ManyChat make it super easy to build and deploy chatbots, even if you have zero coding experience. And trust me, businesses are willing to pay top dollar for a chatbot that can handle their customer service needs 24/7. Imagine this. You create a chatbot for an e-commerce store, and that chatbot helps them close hundreds, even thousands of sales each month. You could charge a monthly fee for your services, raking in a steady stream of passive income. So, if you're looking for a way to put your entrepreneurial skills to the test and potentially make a fortune while you're at it, AI-powered chatbots are the way to go. Alright guys, let's talk about something near and dear to my heart: content creation. But here's the plot twist. We're not talking about me filming crazy challenges today. We're talking about AI doing the heavy lifting for you. That's right. AI can now write articles, blog posts, social media captions, video scripts, you name it. Tools like Jasper and Copy.ai are like having a team of expert writers at your beck and call, ready to crank out high-quality content 24/7. Now I know what you're thinking, but Mr. Beast, won't it sound robotic and boring? Nope. These AI tools have been trained on massive amounts of data, so they know how to write in a way that's engaging, informative, and even funny. And the best part is, you can monetize this in so many ways. You can start a freelance writing business and offer your AI-powered writing services to clients. You can create and sell eBooks filled with AI-generated content. You can even use AI to write scripts for your own YouTube videos. Imagine this. You're pumping out high-quality content on a daily basis, attracting more viewers, subscribers, and sponsors to your channel, all thanks to the power of AI. We're talking about potentially building a content empire without breaking a sweat. Okay, music lovers, this one's for you. Ever dreamed of composing your own symphony, or maybe just a catchy jingle for your next YouTube video? Well, guess what? You don't need to be Mozart to make it happen, because AI is here to rock your world. AI-powered music generators like AI VA and Amper Music are changing the game. These tools can compose original pieces of music in any genre imaginable, from classical to hip-hop to EDM. You can even customize the tempo, instruments, and mood to create the perfect track for your needs. Now, let me tell you, the music these AI tools are creating is mind-blowing. It's not just some generic, repetitive loop. We're talking about complex melodies, harmonies, and rhythms that will make you think a real-life composer is behind it all. And the earning potential? Oh boy, hold on to your hats. You can sell your AI-generated music to filmmakers, game developers, YouTubers like myself, anyone who needs royalty-free tunes. You can even upload your tracks to platforms like Spotify and Apple Music and earn royalties every time someone listens. Imagine this. You're sitting back, relaxing, and watching your bank account grow as your AI-composed music takes the internet by storm. That's the power of AI, my friends. Last but not least, let's talk about AI-enhanced eBooks. Now, I'll admit, I'm not the fastest reader in the world, but even I can appreciate a well-written book. And with AI, writing and publishing your own bestseller has never been easier. AI tools like Grammarly and ProWriting Aid are like having a personal editor on speed dial. They can help you catch typos, improve your grammar, and even suggest better word choices, making your writing clearer, concise, and more impactful. But here's where AI takes it to the next level. AI can help you come up with story ideas, develop characters, and even write entire chapters. Tools like Shortly AI and Writer are like having a co-author who's always full of ideas and never gets writer's block. And once your ebook is ready to go, you can self-publish it on platforms like Amazon, Kindle, Direct Publishing, and reach millions of readers worldwide. You keep a larger chunk of the royalties compared to traditional publishing, and you have complete control over your work. Imagine this, you're holding your own AI-enhanced ebook in your hands, a bestseller that's topping the charts and earning you passive income while you sleep. That's the dream, right? And with AI, it's totally within your reach. And there you have it. 5 digital products you can create using AI to potentially earn $30,386 a month. Now, I'm not saying it's going to be easy. You gotta put in the work, hustle hard, and never give up. But with AI on your side, the possibilities are limitless. So, what are you waiting for? Go out there, unleash your inner entrepreneur, and show the world what you're made of. And hey, if you end up making millions from AI, don't forget about your boy Oscar. Just kidding. Unless... Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. See you in the next video.